Hello guys, that time I was hiking in Nippara Riverside. From Okutama Station, I saw a small passage. I walked through the stairs. I could feel that this place is still the same. The stairs and the trees have not changed. The air was so fresh and I could see the river from here. 3 years ago, I went for camping here with my friends. This time I was alone. Life can change over time. We go our own ways separately. Now I became a stranger man. I can rely on myself. Enjoying nature like this can always make me peaceful. Nature is amazing. This time I just went for hiking in day trip. I didn't bring any tent, so I would not try wild camping. People say that wild camping in Japan is illegal. I did once with my friends here. I didn't know about that rule. It was fun. We made a bonfire and dancing together. I always want to swim in this river, but I have never tried it. The water is so cold. Maybe I will come back here in summer and try to do it. The water was so clear. I could see everything within. I brought fishing stuffs. I was excited. Unfortunately, I didn't see any fish. I expected there are some trouts in this river. I need to search where the best place to do fishing during winter. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for more stories.